Folks, the previous game is still in overtime, so we'll be with you in about 15-20 minutes. Folks, our previous game is in overtime, and so our Scots hockey game against Bloomington Jefferson will be starting in about 15-20 minutes. We'll be back with you soon.
Good afternoon, folks. We are just getting our warm-up started here. That warm-up is 10 minutes, and then resurfacing is 10 minutes, so we still have about 20 minutes for game time. Thank you.
here.
Okay. You wouldn't mind? You don't mind? Okay, thank you. Oh, you're our people. Good. I always feel bad when I got people.
Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. All right, folks, we're on our backup mic today, so I apologize, but we are just getting ready to get the game started. I'll try my best not to blow the mic today. We do have a lot of loud music. All right, today we have our Highland Park Scots facing off Bloomington Jefferson. This is the consolation prize game. Scots won yesterday 6-5 against Cambridge Isanti.
Happy New Year, hockey fans, and welcome back to Doug Wolf Arena into the consolation championship game between the Highland Park Scots and the Bloomington Jefferson Jaguars. Let's meet the Scots. In goal, number 30, Emery Bass.
All right, we have Emery Bad at goal today. Gavin Olsen at D. And number 54, Isaac Johnson. For those who weren't at yesterday's game, Isaac Johnson has moved back to defense, playing with Gavin Olsen, and Mustafa Ahmadad has moved up to wing, taking his place. We've got the Rust brothers also facing off with this line.
Now let's meet the Jaguars. In goal, number 30, Owen Matthews. At defense, number 7, Franklin Schmitz. And number 10, Jacob Bassett. At wing, number 13, Blake Joseph. And number 17, Anders Bjorklund. Starting at center, number 5, Mason Van Brust. And the rest of the Bloomington Jefferson Jaguars. And coach of the Jaguars, Matt Nelson. Let's play hockey.
All right, let's play hockey, folks. All right, here we go, folks. Getting ready to face off. What do we got going on here? All right, Scots. Looks like Bloomington wins the draw, but Scots pick it up and dump it in the zone. Rust goes on the chase. He's battling in the corner. Pushes it in the slot. Johnson picks it up. Oh, it just tipped away. He's able to retrieve it. He's going to push it over to, it looks like we got an offsides call. It's a little bit of a scramble here at the blue line. All right, Rust at the draw. Scots come out with it. Russ goes in on the rush. He is pinched off, and Bloomington Jefferson picks it up in the corner. Olson grabs the puck. He takes a shot. That is saved by Jefferson. He's going to pinch. Russ recovers. Scott's able to keep it in the zone. Russ loses his stick, and Jefferson's able to grab it. We've got a one-on-one here with Johnson. Olson is able to pick it up and dump it out of the zone. We're in an icing call here on the Scots. All right, we got Will Bittens at the dot here. Carvinen picks it up, pushes it up to Kirsch. Puck exits and enters the zone again. Jefferson battling in the corner for it. Carvinen grabs it. He goes for the steal, a D-to-D pass. Pushed up to the center. Scott's able to get in the zone. Ian Wallace on the chase. Jefferson able to enter the zone. They've tried to push it in the slot, and it does not work. Carvinen's able to move it out. Wallace is going to dump it in. Kirsch grabs it. Gets a attempted shot off just wide of the net. We've got a new line out here for the Scots. Bradford is now out here for center with Warner, and I'm not sure who's going to go out with them yet. Bradford picks it up, pushes it up to Warner. They're going to enter the zone. Puck ends up in the slot, but Bradford had a stick lifted. Oh, looks like we got Grant Tilson here out with the other wing. Johnson picks it up. He's going in the corner, looking for an option. He's going to do an escape move, trying to battle for control behind the net. Still owning it. Pushes it in the slot. Oh, Bradford not quite able to get a stick on it. Jefferson is able to tip it out of the zone, and we're going to get it. Scott's able to move it deep in the zone, but Jefferson is picking it up, and they are going for a breakout. Johnson disrupts that play. He's battling at the blue line. Jefferson moves it to the far side, looking for open space. They dump it in. Olson there to pick it up. Amada blows a tire and loses the puck here at the... Oh, we got a whistle here. Not sure what it was for. Might have been an accident. Oh, maybe an offsides. It was called from way back on the other side of the ice. We got Rust at the dot. He pushes it back. Jefferson picks it up. Puck is deflected off of a player, and they're going to have to do a regroup. Amadad putting pressure. Jefferson able to dump it into the zone, but they don't have control. Johnson's able to grab it. Amadad blows another tire. I wonder if he's got a bad blade. He pushes it back to Olson. Olson to Rust. Rust attempts to bang it on the boards. Jefferson picks it up. Olson takes it again. He's going to go in with it. He's able to get the zone. Rust goes on the chase. Nice check by Rust. Moves Jefferson off the puck. Carvinen picks it up. Rust looking for his chance. Slot. Got it in the slot and just missed Charlie's stick. Charlie pushes it back around to the side, looking for a guy. Jefferson able to move back. Puck ends up in Emery's stick. He's going to freeze it. We're going to get a line change out here. We've got Bittens, Wallace, and Kirsch with Carvinen and McMullen on the ice, facing off in our defensive zone. Looks like we're going to have to switch out. Wallace is going to take the draw. He wins it, pulls it back to Carvinen. He pushes it up to Kirsch. Kirsch battling at the blue line. He's able to steal it. He enters the zone looking for his option. He gets the puck taken away. Bittens is able to recoup it. Wallace grabs it. Oh, it is deflected off a Jefferson skate. Scots trying to keep control, but they lose the zone. Jefferson picks it up. Our defensive pair, though, is able to save the play, and they are moving it up to Wallace. Wallace chips it out. Kirsch goes on the chase. Jefferson's going in on the rush. We have plenty of Scots there to protect. Puck is currently being battled for behind the net. Jefferson picks it up, and they push it up to their point. Shot on net is saved by Bat. That will be his first save of the game. Scots successfully break out. They move it up to Warner. Warner's going to carry it in the zone, pushes it back to Bradford, but he wasn't able to get a good handle on it. Olsen chips it in. Jefferson's going to freeze that. All right, we're going to get an offensive zone face-off here. Going to have Bradford at the dot. We've got Tilson and Warner as his wing pair, and we have Johnson and Olsen at the points. Nice shot by Warner. Keep going, keep going. Puck is pushed into our defensive zone. Olsen is there to protect. He's going to get it. Oh, he ends up at the point, but we're still able to retrieve it. Oh, a big hit on Warner. Whoa. Oh, that was pretty high there. Johnson picks it up. He takes a hit on the boards. Mustafa Ahmadad's able to get it. He's going in on the rush. He's going to dump it in. Well, Jefferson's getting pretty tough here. We're going to have to. There we go. Johnson picks it up. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Pass in the slot to Ahmadad, and he just misses the net. That was excellent work by Johnson and Ahmadad. We got Rust here on the battle in the corner. Both teams battling for control. Puck ends out at the hash, and Scott's not able to hold the zone, but they are able to dump it back in. We're going to get a few new players on the ice. We've got Russ battling with his brother in the corner. Oh, and Wallace is right in the slot. Shoot, just couldn't get a stick on it. Jefferson's going in on the rush. McMullen keeping him to the outside. Oh, they were able to get in the slot, but they just couldn't get their tape on that puck. Currently have 9 minutes, 45 seconds to go in the first period. Jefferson puts it in the slot, and they don't have anybody home. Wallace picks it up. He's going to chip it out. Okay, we got a hand pass here. All right, we got Bittens at the dot. Kirsch and Wallace with Johnson and Olsen out. Johnson picks it up. He pushes it up the... Oh, he kind of wraps it around. Kirsch grabs it. Shot is deflected by Johnson. Ooh, shot it hits the pipe. Kirsch trying to get it out of the zone. Both teams battling here in neutral ice. Jefferson pushes it in open space. Johnson able to poke check it away. Kirsch trying to progress forward. Johnson battling at the boards. Trying to keep Jefferson to the outside. Jefferson's pass fails, ends up in Kirsch's hands. Kirsch is going to enter the zone here. He's looking for, oh, he just fumbles with the puck, but we're going to try to keep control here. Jefferson able to gain the zone, but they were going to get a change. So Johnson pushes it up to Olson. Olson pushes it back to Johnson. Johnson able to enter the zone with it, but we aren't able to get control. Jefferson looking to do a breakout. They've got a, oh, that was lucky. Johnson got his stick on it, but he had a guy behind him. We didn't see him. Warner goes on the pressure in the corner. Jefferson able to break out and enter the zone, and we're going to battle McMullen, putting good pressure on the corner, keeping him from getting the puck to the net. Warner picks it off. Puck ends up in neutral ice. We're doing a little bit of back and forth here. It looks like these guys want to get off the ice here. Tilson goes and waiting for pressure here. Nice poke check by Amadad. Oh, save. Whoa. Nice steal. Just couldn't find the back of the net. That's right. That's right. We need just a few more of those and we'll get one. 7 minutes, 30 seconds to go in the first. Score is 0-0. Rust at the draw. Jefferson wins the faceoff. Got pressure from Charlie. Nice pressure. Amadad picks it up. His shot just misses the corner. Puck ends up at the point at Carvinen's stick. He pushes it to Amadad. Amadad gets it in the slot, but we're not able to capitalize on the opportunity. Jefferson able to enter the zone. Our defense able to successfully move him to the outside and in the corner. Rust grabs it. He pushes it to the boards. Amadad pushes it up to him. He gives it to his brother. Charlie enters his zone. He's putting pressure on. Oh, just didn't have enough strength to get around the two defensive players. Nice hit delivered by Rust. That's our 9th grader. He needs a couple years, but he'll get a little bit more strength in the weight room. But he's delivering some good hits here. Nice pass by Olson to Kirsch and able to get a shot on net. Johnson picks it up. He pushes it in. He's going in. He's looking for his chance. Oh, no. We got an offsides call. Oh, bummer. If you're just joining the game, folks, we have 6 minutes left in the first period. The current score is 0-0. Shots on goal, 5. Highland Park, 0. Jefferson. Jefferson wins the draw. They're going to dump it in. Johnson responds. He picks it up. He's going to push it up the boards to Kirsch. Kirsch finds open space. Wallace picks it up. Gives it to Johnson. Nice read by Wallace. Johnson not able to enter the zone, but we are able to maintain neutral ice here. Play turns over. Johnson steals the puck away. He's going to go in. We got a 3-on-2 here. Oh, it looks like Warner got in the way. Bummer. They weren't talking. Oh, shoot. Oh, nice save by Emery. Wow. Johnson he wants it out of there. He's going to get an icing call here. This line needs to recal. We got Rust at the dot. Amadad picks it up. Nice play by Amadad. He's going to go in on the rush. He's got Rust with him. Able to get by the defender, but he's fumbling with the puck. Rust picks it up, pushes it up to Carvinen. Carvinen brings it deep into the zone. Nobody home at the hash to relieve them. Jefferson gains control. They're able to get to the top of the circle. Tommy picks it up. He's going to dump and chase. Jefferson turns it over. They're going to bank pass, and they're able to get it in the slot. Oh, and they score. Shoot. They got it right in the upper right corner on Emory. That's too bad. Score is currently 1-0 in favor of the Jaguars. We got Bittens at the dot here. Jefferson comes out with the face-off win. Kirsch able to move it to Bittens. Bittens carries it out of the zone. He tries to put it on net. It is deflected. This line not talking right there. We had Wallace and Kirsch going at the same time. Johnson able to move the guy out of the slot area. Scott's trying to gain control of this puck in our defensive zone. Kirsch picks it up. He tries to push it wide. It is picked off. We're going to try it one more time here. Johnson bank passes it back to Olson. Olson chips it. Kirsch ends up with it. Gives it to Warner. Warner to Bradford. Bradford's shot is deflected. Puck turns over. We've entered the zone. Tilson's going in, putting pressure on in the corner. He gets it to Warner. Warner gets it in the slot. Bradford, just misses the net. Oh. Tilson back to Karvinen. Karvinen's going to get that shot, and it is saved. We're going to get a face-off here in our offensive zone. Got 3 minutes remaining in this first period. All right, Jefferson is able to get the breakout. They're going to enter the zone. They've got good pressure by the Scots. They're not able to get it to the slot. Oh, that time they did. Shot saved by Emory. Both teams battling. Rust behind the net. He's a little bit of a suicide pass there to Amadad. Be careful with those. Mullen tries to get it up to our wing, who blows a tire. We got a lot of tires blowing today. Saved by Emory. Both teams battling in the corner for control. Scott's able to push it out of the zone, but Jefferson picks it right back up again. Big pass it over to Karvinen. Karvinen is going to chip it out. Jefferson loses the zone, but we had a little back and forth happening here. So Scots are going to get caught on a line change here. Jefferson picks it up. Their attempted shot just wide of the net.
All right, I'll probably set mine up come third period.
Olson keeps him to the outside. Puck is loose by the net. Oh, I think the referee thought it was frozen, but it was not. Emory just couldn't see it. We got 1 minute to go in the first. Shots on goal. 6 for the Scots, 4 for Jefferson. Olsen picks it up.
1 minute remaining in the first period. 1 minute.
He's looking for his opportunity. He's thinking behind the net, and he's going to carry it forward. And he chooses to dump it in. He rings it around to Kirsch. Johnson's able to pick it up, but he loses it. Nice save by Emery. Jefferson putting some good pressure on right there. All right, we got 37 seconds to go in this first period. We got Rust at the dot. Puck ends up in Mustafa's hands. He's able to push it out. Oh, geez, he's getting some bad hits today. Jefferson picks it up. They're able to break it out. Johnson able to keep him outside. Keeping him out of the slot. Jefferson able to pick it back up. Trying to get their shot off. Puck is deflected up into the netting. 5 seconds to go in the first. They're going to make Russ switch out here for his brother. Puck ends up back in the corner. Looks like we're going to just hold it. All right. The tables have turned a little bit here. We've got Jefferson with 6 shots on goal. Highland with 6 shots on goal. And the score is 1-0 in favor of Jefferson. We will be back here in about 10 minutes for the second period. Welcome back, folks, for our second period here. Scots are currently down by 1. Both teams battling. Scots could use a couple more shots on net, and they'll got a little bit of communication that they need to work on, but otherwise they're battling hard. It's not for lack of opportunities, so we've got 2 more periods to work here. All right, we got Rust here at the dot. Jefferson comes out with a win on that face-off. Currently, both teams are battling for control of the puck. Johnson pushes it up to Amadad. Amadad wasn't quite able to react to that pass. Rust is covering for Olsen. Olsen losing the stick here. Both teams trying to find themselves here. Jefferson able to bring it into the zone. They push it from point to point. Shot is saved by Emery. They come out on fire here. Scots are going to need to pair up here. Olsen pushes it back to Johnson. Johnson's pass is deflected off a skate. Olsen able to move it out of the zone. He chooses to chip it out. Had some open guys on the other side, but Jefferson carries it into the zone. Scott's keeping him to the outside. Ooh, there we go. Johnson and Rust able to push it out of the zone. Rust is going to take a shift change. We're getting an icing call here on Jefferson. Scots are getting an offensive zone face-off. Looks like we're going to get a full line change out here. Bitten's at the dot. Jefferson's going to have to move their guy out and get a different one in the face-off here. Scott's able to get a piece of it. Battling in the corner. Jefferson picks it up. They're going on the breakout. Kirsch pushes it to Wallace. Wallace fumbles a little bit, but he's able to exit the zone. He's looking for his option. He's going to go deep. His shot is saved by the Jefferson goalie. Bitten's able to pick it up. He's going to dump it back in the corner. Oh, nice pass by Bittens to Kirsch. Kirsch's shot is saved. Kirsch puts it on Wallace's stick. Wallace's shot is saved. Johnson and Carvinen able to keep the Jefferson player from getting in the danger zone. Johnson picks it up. He does a kick pass up. He's trying to get control, and Jefferson able to bank pass it away. Jefferson tries to push it up the point, and they lose the zone. We got Deer putting pressure on. Johnson misses the play. Olsen makes the save. Johnson recovers. Looks like we're going to get an icing call here on the Scots. Come on. Scots needing to calm down a little bit and getting themselves under control. Jefferson came out hard. We got to match that speed. All right, we got Rust here on the face-off. Puck ends up behind the net. Oh, no, Johnson just broke a stick. Well, since I'm his mom, I'm going to feel bad because that's going to cost me a pretty penny. All right, so Johnson able to move the puck out. He's going to carry it in. He loses the puck. Jefferson playing some good defense there. Johnson picks it up again. He's going to dump it in and find some open space. Amadad. Oh, Amadad gets it on the wraparound. They couldn't even see him coming. Nice. He caught him off guard. Way to go, Mustafa. All right. Scots bring it to 1-1. You don't get those wraparounds often, so I'm happy for him. Mittens on the draw.
Scoring at 4:16 second period for Highland Park. Number 6, Mustafa Ahmadad. Number 6 to number 8, Will Dickens.
Good pressure by the Scots here. They definitely responded to Jefferson's speed and come out and they're ready to play here. We got a current tie game, folks. 12 minutes to go in the second period. Harvinen picks it up. He pushes it up to Warner. Warner to Kirsch. Kirsch dumps it in. Harvinen goes in on the chase. We got sticks flying everywhere. Johnson picks it up. He's going to take the zone here. Warner tries to push it up to the point, but there was nobody there to support. Jefferson able to take control of the zone here. They're going to come out. Johnson picks it up behind the net, moves it to Warner. Warner not able to get control of it. Tempted shot by Jefferson is picked off by Olsen. He's going to carry it in. He's going to dump it in. Go on the chase. Looks like Johnson pinched. He's got to get back now. Olsen saved him, though. He's going to push it out of the zone. Chips it over everybody's shoulders. Jefferson does the same. They're going to get an icing call, though. Woo! All right. We've got the Rust brothers with Amadad back on the ice and Olsen and Johnson at the point. Scots win the draw. Jefferson is able to pick it up, though, and wrap it around the boards. They're able to clear the zone here. Johnson's going to pick it up. Oh, they got an icing call. We'll take it. We'll take another face-off opportunity. One more chance. Jefferson comes out with the win on that face-off. Amadad delivers it in the corner to knock him off the puck. Rust puts it up to Olsen. Olsen's shot. Oh, he snuck her in there. Saved by the Jefferson goalie. For those who watched the game yesterday, a little bit of stats. Our defense outshot our forwards, so clearly we need to get more shots from our to our points. They were able to get shots in with either rebounds or chips by our forward line. So we try a little bit more of that. Hopefully we can get them working together, get a little bit more again like yesterday. I think we had 3 tipped goals out of the 6. All right, we got a line change here. We got Bittens and Kirsch and Wallace out with Carvinen and looks like McMullen. Jefferson wins that face-off. They push it up to the point. Their attempted shot misses the net. We're going to try that again. Their shot is saved by Emery. Jefferson controlling the play here in the offensive zone. This line kind of treating it like it's a penalty kill. We need to put a little more pressure on. We can't let them control here. McMullen pushes it up to the hash. Kirsch battling. Bittens comes in. Jefferson comes out with it. They're able to hold the zone. Kirsch able to chip it out. Get a new grouping out here. Carvinen passes it back to Isaac. Isaac takes control. He is going to carry it out of the zone. Bank passes it to Tilson. And we're going to get an offsides call here. It's tough making those passes right at the blue line when you're trying to pass it parallel. So it's all right. It was a try. You're usually better off if you don't have an option trying to carry it deep into the corner and getting your forward set up. Jefferson wins that face-off. Johnson battling the Jefferson player. He is able to keep it from him. They're able to pick it up again, though, and Jefferson looking for that shot. It is saved by Emery. Shots on net are currently 13 from the Jefferson Jaguars and 12 from the Scots. So pretty evenly matched here with 8 minutes to go in the second period. Current score is 1-1. Got Rust at the dot. Johnson battling in the corner. Rust in for support. Jefferson's able to come out with it. They push in the slot, and Olsen's able to pick up the stick. Johnson is able to block the shot. Another attempted shot from the point, just shy of the net. Johnson steals it. He's going to carry it out of the zone. Nice backhanded pass to Rust. Rust to Amadad. Amadad looking for his chance. He gets in the slot. Oh, Rust has a stick up. Olsen's just wide of the net here on that attempted shot, but we're controlling it. Rust looking for his option. He pushes it through the slot. I don't think his brother, saw it. Pushes it up to Olsen. Olsen's shot. Oh, nice. Oh. That was a nice tip opportunity by Rust. Good play. Way to work, first line. All right, we're going to get a face-off here in the offensive zone and a new group of guys out here. We got the Kirsch, Bittens, Wallace line with Carvinen and McMullen at the point. Scots win the draw. Shot is deflected. Jefferson picks it out. They're breaking it out. Well, we got an icing call waved off here. Shot is tip, and Emery was able to save it. Second save by Emery. Defense doing pretty good maintaining management of the slot area in front of the net. Keeping it clean. All right, if you're just joining us, we are 6 minutes, 30 seconds to go, and the second period score is tied 1-1. Bittens at the dot. Jefferson wins the faceoff. They're pushed up the D. Their attempted shot is missed here. Oh, shoot. Well, Jefferson just scored. They turned the table here. That's all right. There's plenty of time to make that goal up here. All right. Puck ends up back in our offensive zone here. Jefferson able to get control of it. They're able to move it out of the zone. Another shot saved by Emery. Easily saved by Emery. He's playing pretty good. This is his second game in a row. He's stepping up. I like it. Okay, we got Rust at the dot here. He's able to win the faceoff push, gets it to Johnson. Johnson wraps it, does a escape move and able to move it up towards the top of the circle, but Jefferson able to pick it up. Their shot is saved. Rust is going on the chase here. Ooh, shot is deflected. Shot saved by Emery. Johnson battling in the corner, trying to get his hands on it. He's going to carry it out, looking for his options. Rust picks it up. Oh, shot just misses the net. Tommy battling in the corner. He gives it to his brother. His brother looking for his option. Oh, saved. Yep. Rust and Moose battling in front of the net. The Jaguars able to freeze that puck. Got Bittens at the dot here. Scots win the draw. Both teams battling for control on the board. Wallace comes out with it. He tries to push it through the slot. There's nobody there to capitalize. Kirsch steals it away as Jefferson tries to exit the zone and pushes it back in, and we're going to continue that back and forth battle here in the neutral zone. Both teams trying to find the puck. Currently in the slot with a ton of players. Kirsch comes out with it. He's going to dump and chase. Puck ends up on its own here at the hash. Jefferson picks it up. We're going to get a whistle here. Puck went out of play. Thanks. All right. So we're going to get neutral zone face-off here. Puck was shot from neutral zone and ended up in the netting. Jefferson comes out with a win on that draw. What we got? Quinn Winkleman out at defense with Johnson. Scott's able to enter the offensive zone, but not able to maintain control, so Jefferson's going to quickly turn it over. Johnson and Russ putting pressure on the Jefferson players, keeping them to the outside. Johnson able to get Russ the puck, trying to get to the net. Oh, poke checked away. We're going to get a whistle here. The net is completely off. Or I guess we're going to fix it. Then I think, okay, the ref finally called it. That was interesting. I don't know why they waited so long to call that. All right, we got Bittens at the dot here. Scott's able to get control. They're going to dump it in. Bittens work in the corner. Wallace puts it in the slot, gives it to Kirsch, and it is saved by the Jaguar goalie. Scots lose the draw there. Jefferson tries to push it out. Oh, they're able to steer it away. We've got a 2-on-1 here. Shot is saved and collected by Emery. Got 2 minutes to go in the second period. Scots win the draw. Puck ends up back in McMullen's hands. He pushes it up to Amadad. Amadad not able to get control on the boards here. Carvenin pushes it up to Rust. Rust able to get it to his brother, and we're able to hold the zone here. Oh, Jefferson able to hold him off. We regain control of the puck. Amadad pushes to Rust. Rust scores! Oh, tying it up, boys. Tying it up. That was pretty. That was a nice pass from Amadon in the corner up to Russ, and he had time right in the 5-hole. All right, Bitten's on the draw. Johnson pushes it to Olson. Olson to Johnson. Johnson, attempted pass to Wallace. Is just couldn't quite get his tape on that puck, and we're going to get an icing call here on the Scots. All right, let's keep it up, boys. We got 2-2 game here. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go in the second period. Jefferson able to get the puck, and attempted shot is high. Johnson pushes it up to Kirsch. Oh, Kirsch not. Oh, shoot. He wasn't quite able to get there. It was a nice leading pass by Johnson, and Jefferson shot it out of play. So we're going to get a face-off here, right here in the neutral zone. Bitten's at the dot. Scots win the draw. They dump it in. Oh, almost stolen. Nice zone hold by Olson. He pushes it back into the corner. Jefferson able to turn it over. They're carrying it out of the zone. They're heading in on the pursuit, and we got another whistle here. Looks like they got offsides. Scots win the draw. Puck ends up back in Johnson's stick. His attempted bank pass ends up in the Scots bench. Jefferson wins the draw. They're going to dump it in, ringing it around the boards. Johnson picks it up. He gives it to Rust. Rust not able to get full control. It ends up in Olson's hands. Olson banks it off the boards. Gets it in Moose's stick. Jefferson quickly turns it over. They're going in on the rush. Nice poke check by Olson. Rust chasing him to the corner. Nice deflection off of Charlie's skate. He picks it up. Ends up in Olson's hands. Olson tries to get in the slot. Johnson grabs it. Oh, shot just misses the net. Oh, shoot. Well, excellent period, Scots. Current score is 2-2. Shots. Scots 16. The Jaguars. We will see you back here in about 10 minutes for our third period. Thank you, everybody. Do you want to turn the dashboard off or the scoreboard off now? Awesome. Welcome back, folks, for our third period. Score is 2-2. We got a new game here for this last period of hockey. Hopefully, Scots will come out with their hair on fire. Keep up the pressure just like they did at the end of that second period. We've had 2 goals so far this game. One is from Mustafa Ahmadad and the other one from Rust, Tommy Rust. All right, here we go. Jefferson wins the draw. They bank it into the neutral zone. Ends up on Olsen's stick. He pushes it up back in the neutral zone. Johnson grabs it. Tempted bank pass to Ahmadad. Just misses the stick, and we're getting an icing call. Bummer. We're going to defensive zone face-off here. We got Tommy Ruster at the dot. Jefferson picks it up. They end up at the point. Oh, a nice tip saved by Emery. Shot is blocked, ends up on Johnson's stick. He's working with behind the net, looking for his opportunity. His pass is picked up, and puck is changed over. Jefferson makes a move. Oh, they're able to get around both of our guys. Oh, my God. Well, Jefferson just worked through 4 of our players, and they ended up getting a nice shot in the upper left corner. Grandma keeps the cookies. Well, Scott's got to come out a little bit stronger than that. Current goal or score is 3-2 Jaguars. All right, Scott's changed that line, and they got a new group out here. See what they can do. Fittens puts pressure on. Looking for his opportunity. Pushes it in the slot, and it is deflected. Scots lose the zone, and they also aren't able to pick up the puck here, having to battle for control. Jefferson coming out strong. Puck ends up in Jefferson's point. They go to D-to-D. Shot on net is saved. Back in Jefferson's hands. Second shot just wide of the net. He's going to freeze it. That's probably a good idea. Get another switch here. Got Bradford at the face-off. Attempted shot is intercepted by Warner and pushed into the corner. Scott's trying to work a breakout right now. They're able to get the shot off, and we have a save here.
Come down south. Okay. Yeah. I had family in Wisconsin, so they brought me up here, and it led me to. How do you like living in here? It's a nice town. Yeah, it is. It's a nice town. It's really a nice town. Yeah. Always has been.
Jefferson wins that face-off. Puck ends up back in the corner. Johnson picks it up, pushes it to Olsen. Olsen banks it up the boards. Tilson. Johnson able to grab it. He's going to try to use his speed to get past everybody here. Oh, he had a nice shot attempt. He was able to get the speed. He's going to get a switch. Jefferson's going to take that opportunity and enter the zone here with some time. They try to do a backhand pass, and they end up losing the puck here. Oh, we're going to get our first penalty of the entire game here. And we got the Jaguars in the box. Scots go out on their first power play of the game here. Let's see what we can do with it. We got 14:30 to go in the game. All right, Rust here at the draw. Scots win it, push it back to the point. Johnson's going to take that chance. Oh, shot is deflected. Amadad trying to get his, oh, shoot. Jaguars able to clear the puck. Johnson's going to go pick it up. He's going to look for his opportunity. He's trying to find his pass. He's going to skate past. He's going to dump it in. He takes a hit on the boards. Jefferson able to clear it again. Olsen's going to pick it up this time. He's got someone hot on pursuit. He escapes away, and he's going to take it up. He's got a far side there, and he's going to dump it. And it is, oh, goes right off the referee.
Maybe they won't.
Jefferson wins the draw. They're going to bank it up. They push it to Olsen. It gets past him. We got Johnson with a Jefferson player on hot pursuit. Johnson's going to take it. He's going to go in on the rush. He's got Tommy. He chips it over to Olsen. Olsen enters the zone, pushes it back to Rust. Rust to Johnson. Johnson to Rust. Ooh, almost lost the zone. Back to Johnson. Johnson to Olsen. Shot is deflected. Dang it. Jefferson able to clear. I think Johnson's a little fried here. He's got Jefferson on hot pursuit. Well, that was a nice escape. Use the boards as his passing buddy. Chip it in. We got a puck out of play in the netting here. We're going to need to get a new group out here. These guys are a little bit tired. Scots push it up to McMullen. McMullen back to Warner. Warner looking for a chance. He tries to sneak it in. No, Tilson. He's looking for his opportunity. Carvin then picks it up. He banks it back to Warner. Warner takes a shot, ends up in Jefferson's jersey. Back to Carvinen. Oh, Carvinen not able to keep control of the puck here. Oh, it looks like we're back to full strength here for Jefferson. They're going to carry it in. They lose control of the puck. McMullen picks it up, banks it back to Warner. Warner's going to try to get it out of the zone. He pushes it neutral ice, but we turn it over right away here. Ends up in, oh, turn it over again. Defense working together here. Jefferson's reading that chip pass off the boards. They know. Amadad currently battling. And looks like we're just going to take the icing call. get a new group out here. All right, we got Winkleman out here with Johnson for defensive pair. This is Winkleman's second shift of the game. Welcome out to get some fresh legs out here. Charlie Russ takes the draw, ends up in Johnson's hands. He pushes it back to around the boards here, and Jefferson able to pick it up, god darn it. Oh, no. Scott saved by, or a shot saved by Emery. Back on Jefferson's hands. Come on, Rust. Get control. Find it. Oh, boy. Nice save by Emery. Johnson takes a hit, pushes it up the boards. He's going to push it out. We're going to get another face-off here.
What year is he? Tanner? Junior. Okay. Yeah, I was in that hockey game in Minnesota.
All right, got Bittens here at the draw. Jefferson wins the face-off. Scots push it back behind the netting. Oh, there, misfire on that pass. Luckily, ends up in Wallace's hands. He's going to dump it in, gives it to Kirsch. Kirsch picks it up. He goes into the corner with it. Nice pickup by Kirsch. Gives it to Wallace. Wallace, take that shot. Harvinen puts it up in the slot. Wallace picks it up, puts it in McMullen's hands. McMullen's chips it up. This chip pass is not awesome because it's often not clean. It's hard to pick those up. All right, we're getting offensive zone face-off here. We got Bradford at the dot. Johnson trying to keep control of the puck. Ends up in Olson's hands. Olson tries to get in the slot. There's too much traffic. He pushes it there again. Nice save. Johnson's going to pick it up here. Jefferson's trying to take it from him. He's going to take it. Looking for his chance. Oh, tempted pass to Bradford. Just couldn't quite get his tape on it. Now he's battling in the corner. Scots turn it over again here. Tommy Rust steals it away. He's going to enter the zone. Oh, he's getting hung up here in front of the net. We got 8 minutes, 30 seconds to go in this game. Scots win the draw, but we quickly, unfortunately, give it to the Jaguars. They're going to carry it out of the zone. They pick it up in the slot. Shots. Oh, no. Dang it. Well, folks, we got a 4-2 game here. Looks like maybe the Scots are taking a timeout here.
And scoring for Bloomington Jefferson at 8:49 of the third period. His second goal of the day, number 17, Andrew Bjorklund. With an assist to number 5, Mason Van Brunt.
All right, here we go. We're going to get started again. Jefferson wins the faceoff. They mishandle the puck. Mustafa capitalizes, picks it up in the corner. Rust able to hold his own. Johnson able to come out of the mess with that puck, and it exits the zone, but Jefferson able to turn it over again. Johnson passes it up to Rust. Nice pass. He pushes up to Rust. Rust is going to enter the zone here. He enters kind of slow. Jefferson able to respond pretty quickly. Olsen holds it in. Nice move. Gives it to Johnson. Johnson's shot is deflected or blocked. We're going to get looks like an offsides. Got 7 minutes to go in the game, folks. Current score is 4-2 in favor of the Jaguars. McMullen to Carvinen to Wallace. Wallace enters his own. He's going to dump it in. Kirsch is going to try to collect it here. Pushes it to Bittens. Oh, he had his stick covered by a defensive player. Oh, shoot. We're going to get a penalty here. Dang it. Come on, boys. Got to. All right. We got that whistle here. Dang it. Jefferson wins the draw. This is our first PK of the game. Shot is deflected up into the netting. Scots win the draw. Johnson able to push it back to the corner. Jefferson regains control. Nice save by Emery. Wow. Emery got the rebound save as well. Excellent work. Jefferson able to win that face-off. Nice save by Emery. We got a whistle here. All right, we got Bradford here. That's a face-off with Amadad, Kirsch, and Johnson out for this penalty kill. We got 1 minute to 11 seconds to go in the penalty kill. 5 minutes, 48 seconds to go in the game. Jefferson able to get control. Scott's working on keeping him outside. .48 seconds to go in the penalty kill. Shot is saved. Kirsch picks it up. We're able to get it dumped deep here. A couple new guys on the ice. 30 seconds to go in this kill. Jefferson's going to enter the zone again. Nice shot saved. Ten seconds to go in this penalty kill. Jefferson wins that face-off. God darn it. Oh my gosh. They got it right in the upper net. It was a nice shot. Shoot. Scott's currently down 5-2. We're getting outworked in this third period here.
Scoring on the power play at 12:20 in the third period from Bloomington Jefferson, his second goal of the game. Number 13, Blake Nelson, with an assist to number 5, Mason Van Brunt, and number 7, Frank Schmitz.
Scott's going in on a one-on-one. Sean, Jefferson scores again. Oh boy. Current score is 6-2, Jefferson. Scott's currently battling for control. Johnson escapes behind the net, looking for his pass option. Ends up getting deflected. Bittens poke checks it away. Wallace pushes it into the zone. Johnson misreads the pinch. Jefferson moving the puck around, and they're going to just score one more time. They found the upper corners of the net here. Current score is 7-2. 3 minutes, 30 seconds to go in the game.
Scoring for Bloomington Jefferson at 13:26 in the third period. Number 2, Cole Peterson.
Amadad banks it off the boards in neutral ice. Rust picks it up. Jefferson turns it over. We're going to get a penalty on Jefferson, I think. All right, Scott's back on the power play. All right, Rust here at the dot. Scott's push the puck forward, and they bank it back to Rust. Jefferson ends up on a breakaway here, and they're able to put the puck in the net. Scots have just let the floodgates open here. This game has unfortunately gotten a little out of control, score-wise. Jaguars able to dump the puck. They battle quickly in the corner. Johnson picks it up. He's got Amadad up in the corner. He's going to carry it. He's going deep into the corner, looking for his chance. He's getting held. Scott's trying to regain control here. Their attempted dump is picked up. Johnson's got it at the point. Johnson's shot is deflected. Rust picks it up behind the net. He's looking for his chance. Oh, threw it in the slot, and the Jaguars were right there, but we were able to save it. Puck gets shot out of play here. We've got less than 2 minutes to go in this game. And since it's a 6-goal lead, it is running time. Scots still have 15 seconds on this power play. Jaguars able to dump it. Carvinen picks it up. He's looking for his pass. He loses it. Warner banks it up to Tilson. Tilson has it at the blue line. He's able to work through the traffic. He's getting held. Leo Kirsch now battling.
1 minute remaining in the whole period. 1 minute.
Jaguars push it through the slot. There's nobody home. They're still controlling it on the outside, though. Carvenin attacks at the corner, but not able to get control. Kirsch tries to push it up to Tilson, and it is intercepted. Shot is saved. Nine seconds to go. All right, folks, this game is coming to an end here. Thanks for joining us. We have unfortunately lost 8-2, and we will be back with you guys next week. I hope the new YouTube platform is working better than our previous. But if you are still experiencing trouble with buffering, please make sure to let us know. I hope you all have a wonderful New Year's Day, and we will see you in a few days. Bye.